Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You will enable Samsung's Assistivetouch equivalent using the Assistant menu. First, make sure your Samsung and One UI layout match. Different models place accessibility slightly differently. Once ready, unlock the phone and open settings, go to Accessibility, then Interaction and Dexterity. You're starting the actionable path now. Tap Assistant menu. This initiates the feature toggle and opens customization options. Do not skip ahead, because you'll need these controls to position and personalize the floating button. Once the Assistant menu toggle is on, you'll see a floating circular button. That's your accessible control. Tap Menu Settings to pick which actions appear, home, back, recent notifications, or custom shortcuts, and adjust the layout so frequently used items are front. Next, set single tap, double tap, and long press functions to match how you want to interact. Make sure to adjust size, opacity, and edge position so it's always reachable, but not obstructive when using apps or full-screen content. Now finalize by testing every assigned action. Tap, double tap, long press, drag the floating button, and open a shortcut. If something fails, first retoggle the Assistant menu off then on. Next, restart the device to restore the overlay. If the button still disappears, clear the Settings app cache or install pending system updates, because outdated UI components can block accessibility services. If problems persist, briefly disable other accessibility overlays. They can conflict.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.